let's start with the interactive reading lesson. So in this lesson, I want to teach you how can you get 140 plus points in interactive reading lesson. So let's start with that, right? So interactive reading, it's an adaptive test, and with small connected tasks, and you will get in the real Duolingo English test 2 tasks. So let's talk about like how many tasks you're gonna get. So basically this passage can be contributed with the stories, narrative with the essays. And each test takers see one story and one essay on the test, and there are 5 subtasks in interactive reading section. So first task is complete the sentences, right? So I will show you on my screen how can you complete your task with effective tips and tricks, right? First of all, when you jump on the complete the sentences, right, how it works, I want to explain you to my all test takers. The passage has 3 to 10 blanks, right? In each blank has several answer choices to pick from. There is a time limit 7 to 8 minutes. It's dependent upon the task, but more blanks give you more time. So I highly suggest to my test takers, so please don't leave any blank space in the real test, because you will get penalized if you leave a blank space. So instead of leaving the blank space, you have to fill it there something else. So let's start with the practice test, right? So there is a tips, hacks, many things, guys. You have to write it down. Read the full sentence before choosing a word, right? That's the first step. And the second step is that use context clues to guess the best words, right? Duolingo English test is really dependent upon your language adaptability and many more functionality. But you have to decide on the support, like which word you are picking for the clues. And eventually, you have to pay attention to the grammar. Let's suppose if the blank comes after a noun, it may need an adjective. So you have to be pretty careful about that, right? So check the tense and the sentence to help choose the right word. After filling all the blanks, reread the passage to make sure everything makes sense. Guys, it's very important to make proofreading before to click on the next step, right? So when you jump on the complete the passage, you will see there will be a passage. After finishing this task, the test takers see both halves of the passage with one full sentence. There is a missing word. How it works, you see the first half of the passage again, right? You also see the second half of the passage as well, right? One sentence is missing, and you choose the best sentence from a list of the fill in the blanks who connect these both passages, right? So answer are second as right or wrong. So there will be options on the side. So what are the best tips for this task? Let's talk about. So please, you have to read carefully with the full passage, right? And when you read and the second half more carefully, it's a sentence anew, right? Pay close attention to the sentences before, after the blank to find most logical connection, and look for clues in the text, like the topic, linking words and pronouns. It will help you. So if an option used to the pronoun like, he or it, check it, the person or thing it refers to is already mentioned earlier in the text. So you have to be pretty much pay attention on this task. This task is not really important, but definitely it will contribute to your overall point system, right? So let's talk about the highlight the answer, right, in the passage. So there will be a basically how it works. This passage, it's shown including the missing sentences from the complete the passage. Test takers see 2 comprehension questions, right? The correct answer is always written somewhere in the text, but you have to find it, right? For each question, they highlight the part of the text that answer it, and then closer their highlight is to the correct answer, the higher their score. So this task, highlight text in the passage to answer the question below. You have to select according to the question. So please don't select like much lengthier as they expected in the real Duolingo English test. So Duolingo wanted to be like, the text, like the simple, you have to give the answer. It's a point to point. So don't select the whole passage or 3-4 lines. So it's pretty much give you the bad impact. So tips, look for the keywords from the question in the text. Highlight only the words that answer the question, not full sentences unless it's needed, right? Check your highlighted answer in the box below the question. If it doesn't look right, adjust it according to you. Don't highlight too much. Extra words can be lower your score. That's the point, guys. You have to write it down, right? So please be careful while you are doing your highlight the passage to the answer question below. Identify the ideas. This test check if the test takers have understand the main idea of the text, right? So they read the full passage again and they choose the statement to the best message to the overall meaning. How it works, the full passage is shows again here. Test takers see several statements about the passages, and they choose one statement that best reflect the main idea of the text. Only one option is correct, so please make sure that don't select any 2 options. So answers are scored as you click on the right or wrong. So title the passage. That's the last but not least. Yes, it's the last point, right? So this task check if the test taker can choose a good title of the passage, and they have to read the whole passage. How it works, it's a simple. Test taker see the full text again, the same from highlight the answer and identify the idea. They choose the best title from the list of options. Only one title is correct. So in this passage, only one title is correct. So make sure that read all the passage and use what you learned, identify the idea, help with title the passage. If you know the main idea, it's easier to pick the best title. From there is a focus, the meaning of the option. Titles are wrong because they don't match text, not because of the grammar and spelling. Avoid choosing answers that only talk about small details instead of the main point, guys. You have to really make sure that the titles you have to pick according to the situation, right? Which section is, they are focuses on the more, and then you will pick the best title of the passage, right? So here is the, interactive reading, how it works, tips and tricks, and most probably, and we will share the video on the checklist that. So before to jump on the real test, I highly suggest to my test takers, so please comment in the video down below whatever your query has. So please guys, don't hesitate to contact DUOLINGO Educational Services. Our team is working 24/7. So please guys, whenever you type your comment, write your full query and we will sort it out as soon as possible. So thank you so much. You are appreciating to this channel, and if you have any help, please let us know and we will help you out. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, so this is the practice session where I want to teach you guys how can you make effective and you can hit like maximum points in interactive reading. So let's begin with this practice session, right? So time management is really important. So 7 minutes is ticking, right? You have 6 questions, so please hurry up guys, don't lose your points if you are just staring the screen. So let's start with that. Yeah, so first they are talking about the firefighters are the people who fight fires only. Please don't read in the real test because you will lose your points if you're reading like this, right? So just you have to think about that, what it will be the suitable answer for this passage. Guys, skip that, which one you don't know, right? So when you fire, I think it's gonna be like brakes, I think, yeah. And then out firefighters enter a building to look. Look. Choose your wise and pet rescue them and so guys, we have 2 wrong here. First is the nearly, and the 8th one should be fire, right? So 8th one we have written several. They also conduct fire drills and inspections to keep business safe, right? So please be careful in your real test point, right? This passage is like the best passage for this task, which is really important, and we have to know that which one is the best sentence to complete this passage, right? Which is very important, and let's start with this one. Yep, that's the correct one. Firefighters must have variety of skills and knowledge. Guys, highlight the text in the passage to answer the question. You have really less time for this task, and please select your passage wisely. And if you select any wrong one, then definitely you will lose your points, right? But I highly suggest to my students, please don't leave any blank space, right? If you leave any blank space, then you will get, lose your points. So that's why, yeah. Firefighters are the people who fight nearly daily phases, and many things will include people and drills. It should be in addition to knowledge, physical fitness, other skills. So they said in addition to knowledge and physical fitness, and what other skills are important? In addition to physical skills and knowledge, firefighters have to have strong social skills, and they must often interact with people as well. Yeah, let's see if it's correct. Yeah, it's partially correct. That means it's not fully correct, right? So we have to select here strong social skills, just only strong social skills, right? Don't select like this whole passage. So you have to, select your just from here to strong social skills. That's the whole answer for this, right? I hope so you got it, guys. So what's the main responsibility of a fire department? So we have to find it out the keywords. What's the main responsibility here for the fire department? Many things we have to consider, but we have to find the answer, right? So mostly they said we have to keep the community safe from fires, right? Yep. Yeah, so that's the correct, right? So please guys, don't select the whole passage. Just you have to, select the main points. That's the whole point, right? Select the idea that is expressed in the passage, which is really important. And if you click on the wrong section, then definitely you will lose your points. So please select a wise answer, right? Wait a moment. Yep. I think so. Yeah, so firefighter work for fire department, which are organization of trained professionals who keep the community safe from fires. I think that's one. Yeah, that's great job. So guys, please focus on the passage, then continue, and you will do your best. That's why. Select the best title. Select the best title for this passage, and it should be the role of firefighters. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. Oh, well done. So guys, we make plenty of mistakes, but please don't give up. Try to practice again and again, and you will definitely get good points into the English test. I hope so you like this video, and if you want more this video for practice version, and definitely please DM in the comment box, and we will help it out. Thank you so much.